Hello, rock stars! Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me for my review and analysis of My Little Pony: Friendship is Magic, Season 1, Episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. Let's look into this and see how this episode goes. Huh. Okay, Fluttershy.
There you go, Mr. Mousy.
Aw. Small little wheelchair family.
Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
It's late. It's late.
You found a watch? You wanna be a watch?
Run.
You're running. Running out of time? No, you're late? I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner.
Alice in Wonderland reference, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but
Angel
I'm
Bunny's
not there.
twitching.
Oh, do I look all right? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go. It's starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't reminded me, I might have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and... Oh, right, I'm late.
Close door.
Oh, okay then. See you later.
He knows it too well. Skip.
My little pony.
Sometimes Angel Bunny can be good, and sometimes it can be a pest. Royal Guard. Huh. Rainbow Dash.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards, anyway? Is the pay good? Hello? Anybody home? Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored. Phew, made it.
Halt! Who goes there?
No one. Never mind.
Come
I'll
on,
go
you would
home.
know Fluttershy.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Actually, considering that
Thanks,
she was
Twilight.
I'm
In
so
the
glad
previous
you could make
episode,
it, Fluttershy.
the
It
model-
wouldn't be the same without you.
everyone should know Fluttershy.
How's every pony doing?
There's a
Good?
little spike flavoring to it.
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? Oh, I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Wow, Twilight. I thought I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's met us all before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that on me! Ooh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or perhaps not that casual.
She's scared of it.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first? Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
Aw.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice. Oh, chocolate fountainy goodness.
Hey, that's a little rude.
1,000 pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
Little nibbles.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again.
Oh, but of course, Your Majesty. Gotcha.
Come
And
on,
what
with
about
the
you,
sense you were
dear?
like that.
Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
Twilight looked
I
cute
understand from
hiding there.
Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small. Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
Wow.
Philomena, my pet, you're awake. Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
You're looking kind of,
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
I've never seen anything like it.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short.
Twilight.
The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Phew. Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
What? That's a waste of food.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back! Back, I say!
Alright, she got something to eat.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
Ooh. Yeah, I would say that's one.
Oh, you poor little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly.
Oh, sounds horrible.
Appreciate the help.
Wow.
Oh my! We'd better get you to bed right
That's
away.
bird seen better days.
There.
I've never seen anyone that extreme temperature difference. Yeah.
This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some medicine. Stat!
Medicine.
Here you go, Philomena. This
One
will fix you right
big
up.
pill. Yeah, I
Dr.
would
Fluttershy
definitely.
expected that.
Wonder what's in it.
Always works. Almost always.
Soup.
There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you.
I have to guess tomato soup.
Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
It's not like a kid. Uh-oh.
Dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing. Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway
Mouse
here was sick
food?
once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you,
Aw.
boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena. Aw, look. I think he likes you.
Oh, small thing.
Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it.
Not exactly what she
Good
expected.
try. I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier. Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better? Oh. That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about... aromatherapy?
That can work.
Warm bath?
Ooh.
Ointment? Scalpel.
Scalpel? What are you gonna
Surgical
do?
tape. Feathers.
What do you need a
Oh,
scalpel for?
Philomena, I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health, but I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
But she doesn't belong to you.
I had to
That's
do
true.
something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking
She
permission?
did
But-
kind of take.
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But you're right. Okay, let's go.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
Ooh. That face. They mean business.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say!
Like, okay.
It's that dry night air.
But it's daytime.
Well,
Fluttershy.
day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's
That's not
missing pet.
suspicious at all.
Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye!
I'm...
Phew. What are you doing?
Going to return Philomena, remember?
We can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria, or throw you in a dungeon. Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
You really think the
That's a
princess
bit
would
much.
do that?
Okay, granted that probably won't happen. But do you want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Please, Twilight, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly
You would
right.
think Fluttershy would actually know
Can't
that.
fly?
No excuses.
I mean, taking
Done.
care of animals,
Okay, what
you've
else?
had to have done that.
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
Looks miserable.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Tough love, baby.
Of course, but...
Next!
Well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
Oh, look at that face.
Hey, where are you going?
No, Philomena, come back!
Ah, another chase montage. Right. Yep, and you got your typical four-door crossover thing. Oh.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? What did they go?
You win, Rainbow Dash. I guess you win.
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down.
What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we gotta find...
Princess's pet bird!
Philomena, come down from there! You'll hurt yourself!
Really? Okay.
I'll catch you!
Wow, that...
What is going on here? Twilight?
Yes, Your Majesty. There's been a terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it.
But you were only trying to help.
Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault.
No, it's my fault! Wait, what are we talking about? Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but
In a
Princess
way, Pinky
Celestia,
was being
I'm the
noble.
one who took
She
the
didn't even
pet
know
bird.
what the issue was.
I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
Phoenix. Fiery Phoenix.
I don't understand.
Born from the ashes.
What is that thing? What happened to Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philomena?
A phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy.
A little, yeah, really.
Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me or throw me in a dungeon?
She got trolled
or banish
hard.
Me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Philomena knew exactly what she was
Of course
doing.
not, my little pony.
Oh,
Where on earth would you get
the
such
title,
an idea?
My Little Pony.
I guess I have some imagination.
Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try
Yeah,
to take
she
care
did.
of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
Yeah. Oh, it'd be really cool to have a phoenix as a pet. Ooh, she got a phoenix feather.
Beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
That's big. Oh no, another prankster. Okay, that's actually a really good episode for several reasons. I could definitely tell. I know that Lauren Faust wanted to have a lot of mythology, and phoenixes are definitely a mythological creature. A fiery phoenix. Look it up, Google. There's a lot of references to it everywhere. And phoenix feather is actually a very valuable artifact. That in itself, I think, has its own separate page and everything like that. So there is definitely a significance to that, to having that. And they are actually pretty intelligent. So, yeah, Fluttershy got trolled pretty hard. She knew exactly what she was doing. She was just playing the whole victim card, just to, I don't know, bored, playing around. I mean, it wasn't anything too serious, but that whole thing. Fluttershy really tried very hard to help as best she could. Though she did take her without asking anyone, kind of thing. So, but that was like a lesson learned, so it makes sense. It's funny how many shows have the whole chase scene montage to go through the doors and everything like that. And leave a comment if you can tabulate, because I just realized this. How many times does the actual phrase "My Little Pony" show up in My Little Pony? Like this is a case where it actually showed up, and I'm sure there are others. And I'm wondering what the actual count is for all the seasons, all the episodes, of how many times the actual phrase is said. I wonder if anybody has recorded that. I don't know. It'd be interesting. Anyways, thank you for joining me for this episode. If you like, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff on YouTube. Hopefully I'll hear from you, and hopefully you enjoy this as much as I have. It's one of the more entertaining episodes, especially with the mythological references to Phoenix. I like that, and I like how Lauren Faust wanted to really introduce that into his show. Obviously it was geared towards kids plus adults, but using mythology is a really cool avenue or vehicle for storytelling, and I find it very cool. By the way, I do have a fan fiction if anybody's interested, and if anybody likes mythology, it is actually mythology based, or there is a mythological resonance to it, and it's tied in. I would say wait until, if you're new to this channel, wait until like season 6 or so to get into the fan fiction, because there's a lot of references that you won't get. Actually, even season 7. Actually, yeah, season 7. It won't make any sense. Might be potential spoiler. Maybe. Well, actually, I don't know. It might be, might be not. But I would wait until season 7 before you read it. But it is very mythological based, so I think Lauren Faust would even be proud of this. And I kept it canon. I'm not doing a alternate reality like the Fallout fiction or any other, parallel universe. It's based on Season 8 Equestria. Let me just say, the end of Season 7, beginning of Season 8 Equestria. You'll kind of understand that nuance if you read it because of something that happened. Well, yeah, you'll kind of get, but even then, it's not really that different. Just as the show progresses, the world gets smaller. I'll just say that. So anyways, that's my little take on this, and hopefully you liked it, enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a good day.
Gone,